How to use a course to grow your passive cash flow and your client list. Servicing clients and seeing to succeed is a passion for many business owners. But after a few years of hard work delivering top-notch services, a lot of business owners realize that having a passive cash flow is the key to regularity in income, because so much is needed to be able to provide the best services and products, and above all, having the peace of mind in having the fixed cost of the monthly already covered. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. There has never been a better time in history to do this, and the best way to do it is by creating a course. Courses are very low entry for many specialized businesses who have immense expertise in-house. Creating a passive cash flow is a breeze for such companies. Here are 4 steps that explain how to use a course to create passive cash flow in your business. Passive cash flow requires your expertise. What is your expertise, and which part of it can be distilled into 6 to 10 classes? Think about it as another way of helping your clients, or even better, another way of attracting the right clients through yet another product. Choosing a topic you already know related to the services or products you are offering. This way, it will not only be easy for you to create a course or tips, as this is your area of expertise, it will also position yourself as an expert. This step is key if you want to get going fast. Break it down into logical steps, or hire a copywriter to script your classes, then find an employee that can design the slides. Distill your expertise into video format. Take your mobile and start recording your course. Non-professional recorded videos nowadays get great success. They look more legit and like inside tips from the founder. Depending on your industry, branding, image you gave online, if necessary, you can hire a professional to film and edit the videos. Pick a platform like ThinkFic or Teachable and get your videos uploaded, ready to be purchased. Once you've completed this, you want to get some colleagues and clients to test out for usability and quality. Give the first slot for free with selected clients. Tell them the price is lower because they're expected to give you detailed feedback. Use their feedback to improve your course and to design your sales page and get the sales copy right. Advertising strategies to kickstart your new cash flow stream. The next thing to do is create a strategy to bring leads to your course sales page. You will need both a long-term strategy and a short-term strategy. Your course will need to be promoted through your existing channels like your website, blog, social media. Increase the results with SEO and speed up the growth with paid ads. Investing in long-term SEO. The next step is to make sure that your website is reviewed and tweaked to be SEO optimized. You want to make sure that your website starts generating leads on tap as soon as possible. This will only happen for you if you take a professional approach to optimizing your site. It will take some efforts. However, it will give you the leads and setup you need to generate sales for your course automatically. A consistent stream of leads will set you up to turning your course into a passive income stream. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to stop guessing and start monitoring your marketing. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.